Hi guys, good morning. So for today, it's Monday and it's already 11:22 and I just woke up like around 10:40. Ang pagising ko sa umaga, it's really cold. It's like 21 Celsius. Or sa akin, malamig na. That's why I'm wearing my jacket. And I'm having my coffee at the same time. While I'm having my coffee, I'm going to start cleaning the table, the center table sa living room kasi napaka-dusty niya. So every Monday I always do, clean ko yung drawer, top ng drawer, yung anything na malikabok kasi kahit naman nasa AC, kahit nasa loob ka ng bahay, ano siya, mayroon pa rin siyang alikabok which is galing sa exhaust ng tawag dito, yung AC ata yun yan, yung sa ano. So, yung mga alikabok is from blankets, from, fabric ng mga damit, mga ganyan. So, yun yung nililinisan ko every day, every Monday, I mean. So, hindi ko siya every Monday ko lang siya talaga ginagawa. And I'm using paper towel para instead of rag, this will get all the dust. Kasi kapag rag daw, sabi ng asawa ko, kapag madami na ng alikabok, yung dust will go everywhere kung di siya paper towel. I don't know if it's true, but I think I'm out of ledge. I still have some left, but gamitin ko. Okay, that's fine. So, maalikabok talaga siya. Kita niyo. Kita niyo yun. Yan. We're gonna go there. Later on, kukunin ko na to yung jacket ko kasi may initan na ako. Yan yung speaker. Yung speaker. Binili ng asawa ko para sa akin. Ang gulo. So, every morning I'm trying to finish all the drawer and everything na kailangan ko siya i-wipe. And then, after that, I'll do laundry. At the same time, magluluto ng lunch ko. Di na ako kumakain ng breakfast every morning paggising ko. Coffee na lang. So, parang ano na siya. Lunch and breakfast. So, this time, nasa bedroom na tayo. Sa bedroom namin. And then, I have to clean this drawer like this. And over there, yung sa side ko. So, kapag nasa sa room namin, naka-close talaga tong yung blinds. Kasi, ako ayoko din yung, alam mo yun, yung mas napaka-bright na ano, na that's why parang bet ko yung ano, yung madilim na kwarto, yun yung gusto ko. I'll leave you my coffee. Ako, if I'm going to finish something, tinatapos ko na talaga siya para maging productive instead of sitting down, doing nothing. So, kapag nagko-coffee ako, sometimes ginagawa ko before I have my coffee, I will finish everything here to clean up all the drawer. And once I finish that, I can forward to having my coffee at the same time. And I will do the laundry. Para at least I will finish everything, before the day ends. So, well, it's already late for me, but it's worth it because I already started. Because me, if I started something, I wanted to finish it right away. I don't want to, take a break and do it later on. That's not my thing. I don't know why, but it's in me. I just couldn't stop myself. Like, let's go. Let's finish cleaning. So, we're gonna do laundry now. Kasi ito yung mga jacket ko. Lalaban ko siya. Carhartt. Kasi ano siya, parang sa loob niya, hindi pa kasi siya na laban. So, kailangan ko siya ilaban. Kasi yung dito niya, parang pag susuotin mo, sa damit. Ano mo yun? So, I'm gonna do laundry. Ito yung gamit namin, Tide and Downy na lavender. Tapos ilalagay ko yung Downy. Parang ganyan. Parang papadaan. Ganun. Di ba sa Pilipinas, nauuna muna yung sabon before Downy. Sa kanila dito nauuna yung isahan na, Downy. Ano, kahit dalawa lang kami sa bahay, ano pa rin siya, meron pa rin siyang daming kalat, kailangan talaga linisin. So, yung ano na yun, yung background noise is si Bert, yung vacuum namin. Kapag ako lang sa bahay, I just make like 1.5 cups. 1.5 cup of rice kasi ako na naman magkakain sa bahay. Ako na naman dito. Tapos yung squid, na-defrost ka rin. Na-defrost ko. Kaya ako sa kanin yung ano, yung basa. Alam mo yun? Yung madaming tubig yung ano. So, we're gonna do, tapos lang I need to cut this off. Tapos ilagay natin yan sa dry lahat ng mga damit. Tapos nilagay. So I just cleaned this and we're gonna put all of the clothes to the dryer. Bilis lang. Mabango yung ano. Dito sponsored ah. We're gonna put 5 sheets. 5 sheets. And then mainit. Let's do 45 minutes. This time maglilinis tayo ng toilet. I need to clean the toilet. Ito nabili namin sa ShopRite. Napaka ano. Fit na fit talaga siya sa akin. Tignan mo yan. If you have small hands, ito maganda. Yan. ito lang talaga yung lunch ko. Meron pa kaming leftover, pero parang ito lang talaga pet ko for now. Kain. So this time, linisin natin yung burner kasi napaka dumi talaga. So, kunin ko to and then mostly I put this in the dishwasher. For now, I think gagawin ko yan kasi lilinisin ko to yung burner and then yung ito ilalagay ko na lang sa dishwasher. Yan, di ba? Malinis na siya kaysa kanina. So, kitang-kita talaga kapag may dumi. So, tapos na tayo maglinis. And I will just wait for the, what I call this, the grill for the burner. I don't know what you call it. But, this time, I'm gonna fold the laundry that I did. So, that's it for today's video, guys, and I hope you have a good day and thank you for watching.